Hey everyone, if you want to optimize your results with FlowGPT in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to improve AI prompts to get better, more accurate results every time. First, optimizing results means improving your prompts so the AI gives clearer, more useful, and more detailed responses. Start by selecting a high-quality prompt from FlowGPT that already matches your goal. Improve the prompt by adding clear instructions, context, and specific goals. The more details you give, the better the AI output will be. Include information like topic, style, and format. Run the prompt and test the output to see how well it performs. If the result is not perfect, adjust the prompt and try again until you get the best output. For better results, assign a role to the AI like, "You are a professional writer," or "You are a coding expert." Save the optimized prompts so you can reuse them in future projects. For the best results, always structure your prompts clearly and avoid vague instructions. A common mistake is using short or unclear prompts, which leads to low-quality AI responses, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to optimize results with FlowGPT in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.